everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm asking for your advice, whoever's watching this video. You know, I've been struggling recently as of late, you guys, because I'm going shopping soon. I have it in my head, you know, I'm saving up my little money to go buy myself something nice, treat yourself. It's almost 2023, and so I want to get myself an end of the year gift, which means I want a bag. Now, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I'm asking you which Louis Vuitton Monogram canvas bag I should get. To give you guys a little bit more information or a backstory, I do not own a Monogram canvas bag from Louis Vuitton. You're probably thinking, yes, you do. I do, but with vachetta leather pieces. So it could be handles, straps, elements on the bag. I have my Louis Vuitton favorite, but I rarely wear it with the actual leather strap. I usually only wear it with the gold strap, and I really want a Louis Vuitton bag that has vachetta leather with monogram canvas. I think this is a very nice combination. This is one of my favorite combinations from Louis Vuitton. And so I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8-ish bags that I like in the monogram canvas from Louis Vuitton, and you guys can let me know, I guess, which ones you think are the best. I'm gonna talk through what I like, what I dislike about the bags, and you guys can rate it from there. And so yeah, with all that being said, this is a very long intro. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comment section which bag you think is the best or better purchase. So the first bag that I was thinking about was the Alma BB. Now, if you know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, watched a few of my videos in the past, you know that I purchased the Alma BB in empreinte leather. Love this bag, you guys. It is a beautiful, edgy bag, in my opinion. It's a nice spin, elegant spin on a classic bag from Louis Vuitton. I purchased it in the damier Ebene combination, and I returned it so quick because the straps were indenting the side of the canvas, and also the strap that you attach to the bag to make it crossbody was very thin, very flimsy, and it just looked very awkward on. The strap on my empreinte leather Alma is very different, quite different than the monogram canvas version of the bag, or just canvas version of the bag. I think that if you're looking for the Alma BB, you should at least try out the leather version, because you might be pleasantly surprised at how different they are empreinte, because I think the epi is similar to the canvas in regards to the strap. But the thing is, with the canvas version of the Alma BB, I would maybe get 2 little twillies to wrap around the handles, and I would carry it as a top handle bag. But I just feel like that's not very practical. And then I was thinking, maybe if I get the bag, I could also get the monogram canvas strap, shoulder strap, crossbody strap, and add it to this bag and still get twillies, and then it will be a little bit more customized. But then I think it defeats the purpose of having the vachetta leather elements, because you're covering up almost everything except for the bottom, which is the most exposed piece of the bag. I try my best to take care of things, but I feel like at some point there's an inevitable moment that something will get dirty or can get dirty. And when you have untreated leather like that, it's like bound for disaster. And so the next item I was thinking about, which I don't even know why I have it on this list, because I don't want it technically, but then I was thinking, I don't know, I saw someone with it the other day and I was like, it looks pretty nice. It is the Neverfull and monogram canvas. And y'all are probably thinking, why don't you get the on the go, Haley? And the thing is, they don't have the on the go in monogram canvas, not in like the jumbo print, just plain monogram canvas with vachetta leather lining. I don't know why they don't have the bag like that. Maybe because it's a little too similar to the Neverfull. I don't know. But the Neverfull monogram canvas with the beige interior is seriously one of my favorite bags. I don't think I would want it instead of the damier Ebene. I would maybe want the monogram canvas with the damier Ebene interior. That would be like perfect chef's kiss, but they don't have that. I don't need another Neverfull, but I was thinking if I got that Neverfull instead of this one and sold the one that I currently have, maybe that would be a good trade-off, but then I would be scared because that one that I have is always hard to find, in my opinion. Every time I go to the Louis Vuitton store and I ask about Neverfulls, the Damier Bean one with, is it Rose Ballerine? I don't remember if it's Rose Ballerine, Rose Poudre, the pink interior, it's always gone. But I don't know if I'll do that. Probably not. I'll probably keep the one that I have because I really love it. It doesn't really have any sentimental value for me, but I really love the bag, and every time I wear it, someone gives me a compliment, even though it's like the basic Neverfull. I don't see anyone giving anybody compliments with the monogram canvas version, and I'm like, oh, awesome, thanks you guys. I have other bags too if you want to know about them. So the next bag is going to be another base model bag. I'm getting rid of the bases like right off the bat, you guys. And this bag is probably going to be a bag that I get. I don't know if I'll get it in monogram canvas though, and it is the Speedy 25B. Y'all, I have fallen in love with the Speedy 25B. I never liked this bag before. It's always been something that I've put my nose up at, and there is a specific reason why. And it's because every time I've seen this bag, you guys can let me know if this is the same for you wherever you live. I live in like a major city, or I live close to a major city, so this bag is very popular. It's very saturated. Nothing wrong with that. It's an amazing bag, but it looks like a lot of people own the bag and they don't take care of the bag, or it looks like they don't take care of the bag. It could be it was one of their first ever bags. I know of people that have had this bag 10, 20 plus years, but it looks like they've owned it for 10, 20 plus years and haven't taken care of it during that time, those decades that they've owned it. And I always wonder to myself, why do the Speedies always look so raggedy? Like, I don't get it. And that really has turned me off from wanting this bag, but I saw someone the other day that had it on and her outfit was immaculate and she had a Speedy 25B. And it was just like so simple. Everything about her was so simple, basic, jeans, sneakers, white shirt, sunglasses, Speedy. That was it. But it made me do a double take and look at her like, oh my gosh, she looks really good. And a light bulb went on that it has more to do with who you are as a person than I guess how other people handle their things. Because if you handle stuff with respect, with love, and you take care of it, it's most likely going to look like that. But if you're not the type of person, then it's probably going to look like the raggedy, tattered Speedy bags that you see on the street all the time. But I'm actually struggling with this decision. I was actually thinking if I should get the Speedy 25B and Damier Bean and then get this next bag and monogram canvas to sort of have the best of both worlds. And you're probably thinking, what? I'm also thinking what? And it is the Boite Chapeau Souple MM, y'all. I love this bag. I know I said in a few videos in the past, I advise people not to purchase it. I think I said not as your first bag, maybe later on, or that it wouldn't be very useful. It's not very practical. It's a little bit more difficult to use. But I think that if you have a handbag collection, or if you're someone that will purchase multiple bags, it's fine to have a bag like this. But if you're only planning on having one bag, I would highly recommend, I would highly advise you to maybe seek a bag that isn't so, maybe I think the word would be impractical to own. Everyone that I know that I show this bag, they say it's ugly. They say it looks like a water bottle, a little canteen thing that you take on a safari. And those people can't be trusted. They don't know the beauty of the Boite Chapeau Souple MM, but I do. I think it is reminiscent of prior, older Louis Vuitton, let's say, with a hint of modernness or modern elements. And I love that. I love when a bag, of course, it's very new. It's very, how do you say, youthful, young in my opinion, but it still gives me older LV vibes. A lot of the newer bags don't give me that. They give me way too modern, way too edgy, way too trendy. And the Boite Chapeau Souple MM for me is like somewhere in the middle of all of those things. So the next bag is going to be the Boulogne. I can never say this bag, you guys. I want to say Boulogne, but I know that's not right. But I'm pretty sure it's Boulogne, I believe. Maybe, maybe not. Anywho, y'all will see the picture of the bag and you'll know what I'm talking about. I feel like this is a newer bag. It's right up my alley. It would fit everything that I need it to fit. The only issue is that it just has a few too many like bells and whistles on it. But aside from that, I really like the bag. And I like that not that many people have it. But that also could be a flaw, in my opinion. When a lot of people don't have a particular bag, there's a reason behind it, especially in the luxury world, because it's at a decent price point, in my opinion, for Louis Vuitton. And so I'm like, why don't I see that many people carrying this bag? All the other bags that I'm talking about in this video, I have seen not on a daily basis, but every time I go out, I see at least 4 of them. I have never seen this bag on the street once. So the next bag is going to be the Louis Vuitton Diane bag. Now, I have loved this bag since it was released, since it came out. I have seen it in person, I've touched it, I've seen people wearing it, I've like watched unboxing of this bag. I love this bag, you guys, and it is the Diane. I prefer the fuchsia strap over the black strap, but I do have to say the reason I have not purchased this bag is because of the guitar fabric strap. After purchasing my little Gucci camera bag, you guys, love the bag, won't get rid of it, will keep it. I realized that those types of straps are not for me. I'm glad I made my purchase mistake with the Gucci bag because it was at a relatively affordable price point, let's say. And if I would have spent $2,000 plus, $2,500 on a bag that had a fabric strap, I would probably scream into my pillow at night or punch the air or kick myself because it would have been a bad purchase. The last and final bag is going to be a bag that I have loved for a very long time. I would say 10 plus years. I would say when I was around 19, 18 to 21 is when I really fell in love with this bag. And then it slowly just got erased from my memory. Didn't even think about this bag. And also these types of bags really phased out, and I don't like them either that much. But I saw a woman with this bag the other day and it looked beautiful. And I was like, wow, that's a nice bag, lady. And it is the Louis Vuitton Artsy, I believe MM. I thought there were other sizes of this bag. I'm pretty sure one got discontinued, but I thought that there was something smaller than the MM, but I could totally be wrong. The Artsy is like the nicer cousin or the nicer sister of the, what is this? What is it called? The Graceful. Like I said, I thought there was a size smaller. Guess I'm wrong. I think there was a GM and they discontinued that. I thought they were going to discontinue the Artsy altogether, but it's still around. I actually like it in empreinte leather more than monogram canvas, but I wouldn't be against monogram canvas. I wouldn't also be against taking a little twilly or something, tying it in one of the loops, one of the little metal hoops and loops that they have in the bag, and let it like hang down and add like a nice pop of color. I think that would look amazing with the bag. And I don't know. I don't know what I want and what I need. I think for me, I don't need anything, you guys, but I think the best bag for me, like being responsible when purchasing a handbag, would be the Speedy 25. But all of these bags that I've talked about are good options, viable options, in my opinion. And so if you own any of these bags, please let me know down below in the comment section what you think about them, if they have any pros, any cons. I hope to one day do a shopping video, but I'm always so nervous when I go shopping, you guys, and I hate filming when I'm shopping, also because of the privacy of others. I don't like showing people's faces or having people talk in the background. I think that's an invasion of privacy and I don't like doing that. And so yeah, with all that being said, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Maybe I introduce you to a new bag, but I highly doubt it because these are all pretty classic except for a few newer bags sprinkled in. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day and bye.